Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next Famitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode I have this HP laptop. It is the HP 15. The model number, it is the BS234WM. Just showing you a simple video, as in to show you how to turn the Wi-Fi and of course off. Now the thing with laptop, most of the time or a lot of time you will be having persons using their laptop all, and you just the Wi-Fi actually turn off accidentally. Basically they don't know what they would have touched. But as for this HP 15 and the button that mark F12, you will see your aeroplane sign. Now once you press the button, it will alternate between the wireless, that is Wi-Fi, and it will also alternate within what is called airplane mode. So presently the Wi-Fi is now on. That is why you're seeing all these different networks. If I should press the button now, then that will now turn off the Wi-Fi. So you're seeing Wi-Fi turned off. Again guys, as to which key it is located on, it is on the F12 key. In the description section of the video, I'll be definitely giving you the exact model number as to which HP laptop that is. So again guys, just simple alternate between, just keep press this key I should say, and it will alternate between Wi-Fi and airplane mode. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Famitech is out of here.